Welcome to this video on the Hindenburg Company, a German airship manufacturer that produced the famous Hindenburg airship. In this video, we'll explore the history of the company and the fascinating story of the Hindenburg airship. The Hindenburg Company was founded in 1914 as Luftschiffbau Zeppelin GmbH, with Count Ferdinand von Zeppelin as its chairman. The company was responsible for designing and building airships for both civilian and military use. The company's most famous creation was the Hindenburg airship, which was completed in 1936. The Hindenburg airship was a marvel of engineering and technology, measuring 804 feet in length and containing 16 gas cells filled with hydrogen. The airship was powered by 4 diesel engines and had a maximum speed of 84 miles per hour. The airship was named after former German President Paul von Hindenburg. On May 6, 1937, the Hindenburg airship caught fire and crashed in Lakehurst, New Jersey, killing 36 people. The cause of the fire was never determined definitively, but it is believed to have been caused by a combination of factors, including a leak of the highly flammable hydrogen gas, a spark from static electricity, and the airship's outer cover, which was made of a highly flammable material called cellulose nitrate. The Hindenburg disaster was a turning point in the history of air travel, and it marked the end of the era of airships as a popular mode of transportation. The disaster was widely covered by the media, and it led to a renewed focus on the safety of air travel. Following the Hindenburg disaster, the Hindenburg Company rebranded itself as Deutsche Zeppelin Reederei, and it continued to operate airships for a few more years. However, the company was eventually forced to cease operations due to the declining popularity of airships and the onset of World War II. Today, the Hindenburg Company is remembered for its pioneering work in airship technology and for the tragic loss of life that occurred during the Hindenburg disaster. The legacy of the company serves as a reminder of the risks and rewards of technological innovation and the importance of safety in all aspects of transportation. Thank you for watching this video on the Hindenburg Company. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the history of technology and innovation.